In this lecture, we will learn about communications technology. Digital convergence is a term used to refer to computers and communications gradually merging into one technology. In the past, computers processed data into information, and telephones allowed people to communicate over long distances. In recent years, there's been a proliferation of smartphones and other electronic devices that perform both communication functionality and computing functionality. Essentially, information technology is important for communications, and communications is important to information technology. Gradually, these two things are crossing boundaries with one another as technology advances. The cornerstone of communication is electrical signals. There are two main forms of electrical signals, analog and digital. We refer to times in the past where analog was predominant as the analog age. In the present, modern technology primarily uses digital electrical signals, so we refer to it as the digital age. Analog takes audio or video and breaks it down into electrical pulses. Digital takes those electrical pulses and breaks them down into ones and zeros or binary code. The reason that we now convert analog signals into digital signals is because digital signals can be stored and manipulated more easily than analog signals can. You may be asking yourself, how are analog signals broken down into digital signals? The answer is via a modem. You may have heard the term when you set up your computer, and also had to purchase a modem for it. The word modem is short for modulate, demodulate. Modems can convert analog signals into digital signals, and vice versa. Let's take a look at a graph of analog signals versus digital signals. An analog signal graph is a wave. You will also notice that an analog signal graph is continuous and flowing. A digital signal, on the other hand, is not continuous. It is expressed in bursts of on and off, where 1 is on and 0 is off. Aside from the telephone, the internet has had a tremendous impact on communication at the global level. The internet makes it possible to send electronic mail or email to people that may be on the other side of the world almost instantaneously. Another form of communication is through computer networks, the linking of several computers together by communication paths. The next section covers the topic of networking in depth, so we will hold off until then to discuss networking. In the next lecture, we will learn about the basics of databases.